In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block WhatsApp messages from someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then go to chats and then just search for a conversation we would like to block. To do that, just get into that conversation, tap at the very top, scroll down and tap at block. Blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you new messages. To block that particular user, tap at block. After a couple of seconds, it says unblock, which means that this particular phone number is now blocked. If you just want to stop getting notifications from some user for a short period of time, we can just mute that conversation with that user or with any group. To do that, just swipe to the left, tap at more, and then select mute. Then you can choose for what time you would like to mute that conversation, for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Other participants will not see that you muted this chat, however, you will still be notified if you are mentioned. To mute notifications from the conversation, I'll tap at 8 hours. That's how you can easily block and mute WhatsApp messages. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.